Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions and inputs because Discord cannot record if the OS or app blocks the mic. Open Discord settings, then voice and video, choose the correct input device, and raise input volume to around 70% so signal is clear but not clipping. Once done, turn off any app that might be grabbing exclusive access to the microphone and make sure your hardware mute switch is off. This prevents obvious failures and prepares you for the next diagnostic steps. You now tackle the middle steps where subtle settings cause problems. Try switching between voice activity and push-to-talk to see if detection thresholds are the issue. For voice activity, lower sensitivity until your voice reliably triggers. Next, toggle noise suppression, echo cancellation, and automatic gain control one at a time because each can distort or silence messages on some mics. After each change, use the mic test button to record a short clip so you can compare results and isolate. You finish by ensuring software and hardware are clean and current. Update Discord and your audio drivers, then reinstall Discord if issues persist. This resolves corrupted files and bad updates. Swap USB ports, try an alternate headset or mic to rule out hardware failure, and check Windows or Mac OS sound panels for correct default devices. Once done, reset voice settings in Discord to default if problems remain. If none of this works, gather your test clips and open a support ticket so they can inspect logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.